Good morning, everyone. Jeremy here from Flatware Creations. I just wanted to kind of show you what's on my bench today. We have a napkin ring cuff that I got to finish smoothing out. We have a couple of stainless steel spoons that we're going to turn into rings. We have one fork ring that's going to get turned into, obviously, a ring. Couple special orders. These are going to become earrings. Really pretty earrings. And then the knife blade is going to become bookmarks. And we have some other rings here that I've already cut, and I just need to bend them on my bender. And I do have a list here, a to-do list. I've got some of the stuff done, but we have to get stuff going here. But I just wanted to show you guys real quick what was on my bench this morning. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell. Alright, have a good day.